Hi all! Today I have a very interesting topic to talk about, and that is country without. You must be thinking now, what does it mean by country without? Let me start with the first one in my list. But before I start, please do comment if you already know any of these. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Do you know a country without any rivers? It is Saudi Arabia. Sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? For a country as big as Saudi Arabia, there must be at least some sort of flowing water. Well, there isn't. Most of the fresh water comes from desalination plants or underground reservoirs. Do you know a country without any birds? Laos is a Southeastern Asian country with no birds. A country without birds but with 20 billion bombs on the ground. Do you know a country without any trees? It is Qatar. Qatar is rich, Qatar is safe. Qatar owns the world's greatest airline, and Qatar is the home to many skyscrapers. But sadly, the opulent country has no trees. Qatar is the true desert. Hope you are finding these interesting. Stay tuned for more interesting facts. Next in our list is country which has no nights. A quarter of Finland's territory lies north of the Arctic Circle, and the country's northernmost point, the sun does not set at all for 60 days during summer. In Svalbard, Norway, the northernmost inhabited region of Europe, there is no sunset for approximately 19th April to 23rd August. Name a country which has no mosquito. Iceland is one of the few habitable places on the planet that is mosquito-free, and nobody really seems to know why. It is not nearly as cold as Antarctica, which is so frigid that could never survive exposure to the elements there for long. Name a country without farming. Singapore is one of the 3 city-states that still exist. Monaco and Vatican City are the other 2, but Singapore is the largest of the 3, and still there is no farms to support or supply the food needs of the 5.4 million people that live on the island. Name a country which has no rain. There is a place in Chile's Atacama Desert where rain has never been recorded, yet there are hundreds of species of vascular plants growing there. Name a country where there is no homeless. Finland has all but eradicated rough sleeping and sustainably housed a significant number of long-term homeless people. Finland is the only country in Europe where the number of homeless people has declined in recent years. Do you know a country with no stray dogs? Holland, one of the leading countries in initiative like this one, has become the first nation in the world with no stray dogs. This problem of abandoned animals abounds in every country in the world, although many foundations and organizations try to raise awareness of the issue. Name a country without examination or homework. At the top of the list for less homework and being highly successful is Finland. This European country prides itself for having short school days, long vacation, and only 2.8 hours of homework a week. As if that wasn't enough, children in Finland don't have to start school until they are 7 years old. Also, there are no mandatory standardized tests apart from one exam at the end of students' senior year in high school. So that's all in our list for today. Hope you came to know few interesting facts today from this video. Thanks for watching till the end. See you next time.